Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Cherry, and today I'm going to be installing this V-part curly wig. Now this is a hairstyle that I have been wanting to do for over a year, but I wanted to make sure that I bring you guys the most affordable hair and easy to do installs so you girls can do this right at home. So the brand is called Sensational, and this is from the Curls and Kinks line. It is a V-part wig in the color 1B. Now I typically don't go for 1B, but when I went to the hair salon, it was only two options and I did not want any highlights. I kind of wanted this to actually be or look as natural as possible. But this is how the packaging looks. I really love the packaging, and the wig straight out of the box, it already looks really good, and it looks like a wig that you can just like clip and go. This is great for like the everyday girl, and you can switch it from daytime to nighttime very easily. Now this is the construction of the wig, and I have to say it was definitely a 10 out of 10. I love the clips on this wig and also the elastic band in the back as well. For those of us who have smaller heads like me, the brand did an amazing job with the construction of this wig, and you also have the comb in the back just for more security. Now for first impressions with just putting the wig on my head, I have to say this curl pattern is very nice. I don't really like a tight curl, so I'm definitely going to comb these curls out later, but I just wanted to put it on just to see what I'm working with. That's something that you always want to do with wigs, is just start by seeing how I'm going to be adjusting the wig, how it's looking on me, if it's flattering or not. This is a time where I'm really coming up with the vision for what hairstyle I want to do with the wig. So this wig looks a lot more shiny on camera than it actually was, but to be a synthetic wig, you guys, it looked extremely natural and it felt extremely soft as well. As you can see, the curls are bouncy. It just looks like a healthy head of hair. It looks like one of those like amazing wash and goes that you guys see on YouTube all the time. But now that we kind of know how the wig looks, I'm going to go ahead and cut off that lace in the middle, which is going to actually expose that V part, and then we're going to go ahead and start installing the hair. Now before we install anything on our head, I'm just going to go through and just prep my natural hair and kind of get it out of the way. So I'm just doing these flat twists on each side, so I know exactly where to place my V-part wig. I always do flat twists because, as you guys have heard me say many times, I'm not a braider. So if you don't know how to braid, you can definitely do a flat twist and it will stay just as easy as a cornrow. Now before I put the wig on, I'm going to go ahead and adjust that strap in the back. And actually I ended up making that strap a little tighter, and you will see that later on in the video, because my head is a little smaller, so I needed a little bit more security. Now we're going to go through and start opening up those wig clips as well. So before you even put the wig on, you want to make sure that you are opening the wig clips, okay? Because you're going to use those clips to actually attach to your natural hair to make sure that the wig does not move at all. As you guys saw in my last video, and that was my viral French roll video, I will link it up here in the cards. I love a good hair clip. Now to install this V-part wig, we're going to take the teeth of that comb and we're going to press it right into our hair, and then we're going to clamp it. We're going to close the clips. So I'm going to repeat that again. I'm going to press it down into my hair and close the clips, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and I'm going to use the wig clip that's in the middle of this wig as well, that you cannot see because it's actually under the wig. I love a good hair clip. I will sew hair clips on to wefts because I feel like it helps with the longevity of your weave as well. If you buy a lot of bundles or a lot of weave, try to get as many wears out of it as possible and just take care of your hair in general. Like I told you guys earlier, I really didn't want tight curls, so I did get a little happy with the comb. Now here's a pro tip: if you don't want to comb out the curls and if you like the curls exactly how they are, do not comb out the curls because it'll be very hard to get that same curl pattern back. And once you comb out the curls, it's kind of difficult to get it back to its original state. So if you don't like big hair or fluffed out hair, then definitely don't comb the hair. But me, I did kind of want more of like an afro texture. I didn't want it to be as uniform, and I wanted the hair to be fluffed out because I feel like that looks more flattering and more natural. I wanted it to mimic like a natural wash and go type of look, and I did not want it to look perfect. But I'm just gonna go through and comb out those curls to my desired look. So this can be kind of like a guide for you guys to choose which side you actually like. Do you like a more natural look, more fluffed out, or do you like a more uniform look and a tighter curl? I actually feel like both sides look really good, but I did like the fluffed out look better, and I thought that would blend better with my hair texture. So I'm just going to go through and actually comb out the rest of the hair. And this is how it looks. Really pretty. You guys can see how fluffy and natural this hair is. I would have thought this was actually bundles, and this wig was literally only $60, you guys. So I think this was a steal, and it's perfect for a date night. If you're just going out with the girls, it's perfect for like every day if you work in an office. So I also didn't want the long length of the hair, so I'm showing you guys the difference here. I went ahead and chopped up one side of the wig, and I'm gonna go through and do the same thing on the other side. It was actually extremely long. You know, curly hair can be very deceiving when it is curled up in the shrinkage of this wig. So this is all the hair that I cut off on one side, but as you can see, it's still a lot of body, a lot of volume. In the back, it's just a little shorter. This is our ally when it comes to curly hair, when it comes to wigs in general, especially curly wigs, is definitely water and mousse. So I use water and mousse just to tame the frizz and to redefine those curls. So I just used some little bit of water, and I went in generously with some mousse to redefine those curls and bring back a little bit of that curl pattern that we had before. And one thing that will always help is to scrunch up the hair so you can get those ends as well. Just literally do what I'm doing, you guys, and your hair will come out amazing. So now I'm going to start prepping my natural hair. We are going to start blending, and I'm actually going to take out those flat twists and start blending my leave out with the actual wig so we can prepare for some styling. Now I am working on blown out hair, but I am going to take a little bit of gel and I'm going to start working that product into my ends first. And then I'm going to start putting it all over my leave out. Now, obviously, I have 4C hair, so in my leave out, it's not going to be a perfect match, and I'm totally fine with that because I don't want to put any heat on my hair. If you are okay with heat styling your hair, definitely go through with a wand curler, and that will look really pretty with this wig as well. But I'm totally fine with just going through with some gel and blending my hair that way. And to define my curls even more, I went in with this curly dimming brush just to make sure that product gets on every strand. So now I'm also going to go ahead and do my edges as well because I'm going to show you guys a few styles that I would wear with this V-part wig. Because this is completely optional, you don't have to. And actually with this wig, you can wear it either way. But for this particular style, I did want to pull out some edges. So I'm just going through and doing that. Now, I don't know if you can tell already, but I'm like a flat twist girly. I love a cute flat twist. I think it's really cute on me. So I love to incorporate them when I can. So the first style is going to be these 2 flat twists on the side and we're just going to bobby pin the rest and then let the back be out. This is something that I would wear every day to work just to keep my hair out of my face. And with this hairstyle, you can definitely just throw a bonnet on at night and wake up and just be ready for your day. So I cannot wait to wear this style out because it's definitely going to help me with my time management and just like getting to work on time and running my errands on time as well without figuring out what I'm going to do with my hair. And I don't always want to throw a hat on, so I love this just easy affordable hairstyle. Now obviously the go-to, guys, you can just wear it out. It's really pretty. I just like to go through and actually tease the hair just to get the afro as big as possible. And one hairstyle that has been going viral, I would say, for the past few years is the flip over curly hairstyle. Now with this V-part wig, it's so versatile. It was so easy just to flip the hair over and wear it to the side, and I think that is so cute. I wanted to definitely incorporate that hairstyle for you guys, just to give you an idea on the different ways you can wear this wig. And of course, we have to do the ponytail at the top. Another hairstyle that I've been seeing like a lot of the girls are liking is, so it was so easy just to pull all my hair up and just play with the curls. I really love this hairstyle. You guys, rate which hairstyle you like the most and that you would wear with this V-part wig. I really enjoy making these videos for y'all, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share this video in your next group chat. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.